In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a website in Canva using the standard website publishing tools. We'll start on the Canva homepage on a desktop browser. Go ahead and log in so your work saves as you go. A free account is perfectly fine for this walkthrough. Once you're in, you'll see the main dashboard with a big button to begin a design. Click Create a Design, then choose Website. If you don't see it right away, use the search bar and type Website. Canva will open a new tab with website-friendly dimensions and a gallery of ready-made layouts. Take a moment to browse the templates and pick one that fits your purpose: portfolio, landing page, event, or simple business site. Don't stress about getting it perfect. You can swap templates later. Look for a design that has the structure you need, like a hero section, features, testimonials, and a contact area, so you spend less time rearranging. Now customize. Double-click any text to edit the headlines and body copy. Update the color palette to match your brand and keep contrast high for readability. Replace images by dragging in your own uploads or selecting from Canva's library. You can adjust fonts, resize elements, and move sections around to create a clear visual hierarchy. Delete sections you don't need, duplicate ones you want more of, and make sure buttons use consistent styles and action verbs. Select a button and add a link so visitors can jump to key sections or open an external page. As you work, keep spacing even and align elements so the layout feels polished and professional. When the content looks good, click Preview to see how everything behaves on desktop and on mobile. Scan for issues like text that wraps awkwardly, images that crop in a strange way, or buttons that feel too small to tap. Close the preview, make quick adjustments, and preview again until it feels smooth and easy to read. If a section feels crowded on mobile, shorten text and add spacing until the layout breathes and stays scannable. When you're ready to share it with the world, click Publish. You'll be asked to choose between using a free Canva domain or connecting a custom domain you already own. The free option is quick and great for testing. A custom domain looks more professional for public launch. Click Continue and follow the on-screen prompts, and Canva will handle the rest and make your website live. Tidy the link, preview, title, and image so sharing looks professional. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.